Good afternoon, my respected sir, ma'am, and all my dear friends. Myself, Surjit Ponda, second SEM, ETC branch. Today, my seminar topic is digital multimeters. Content: what do you meters measure? Multimeter as a voltmeter, multimeter as a ammeter, multimeter as a ohm meter. Review: difference between analog and digital multimeter, advantage of multimeter, disadvantage of multimeter, applications. Conclusion: what do you meters measure? A meter is measuring instrument. An ammeter measures current. A voltmeter measures the potential difference between 2 points. An ohmmeter measures resistance. A multimeter combines this function and possibly some additional ones as well into a single instrument. Multimeter as a voltmeter. To use a multimeter as a voltmeter, it is connected in parallel between the 2 points where the measurement is to be made. The voltmeter provides a parallel pathway, so it needs to be of a high resistance to allow as little current flow through it as possible. Some that DC or AC volts start at the highest volt scale and work your way down. Probe leads are connected in parallel. Be very careful to not touch any other electronic components within the equipment and do not touch the metal tips. Multimeter as a ammeter. Turn power off before connecting multimeter. Break circuit. Move multimeter leads. Place multimeter in series with circuit. Select the highest current setting. Turn power on and work your way down. Turn power off. Disconnected multimeter. Reconnected circuit. Multimeter as a ohm meter. Power always has to be off. Component has to be removed from circuit. Start at lowest ohm setting or maybe highest. Review: a meter capable of checking for voltage, current and resistance is called a multimeter. Never try to read resistance of a continuity with a multimeter on a circuit that energized. Current measuring meters are always connected in a circuit, so the electrons have to flow through the meter. When in the current measuring mode, multimeters have practically no resistance between their leads. This is intended to allow electrons to flow through the meter with the least possible difficulty. If this were not the case, the meter would add extra resistance in the circuit, thereby affecting the current. Turn selector to off when not in use. Difference between analog and digital multimeters. Analog multimeter. Internal setup. Need to adjust pointer to 0 measurement range. Less than digital. Not shock or scratch resistance wing to moving parts like the pointer needle. Digital multimeter. Internal setup. No zero adjustment needed. Measurement range greater than digital but limited by resolution of ADC. Greater shock and scratch resistance as there are no moving parts. Advantage of multimeter: it offers automatic output display, it ensures accuracy, it has auto polarity function, it is does not well with measurement fluctuation, it is more expensive than the along type, it can be difficult to find your specific needs. Disadvantage of multimeter: the LCD display depends on a battery or external power source. In case of fluctuation or transitions, it can record an error. Harming of the meter during its use can change its properties, leading to errors in measured value. Applications: a multimeter mainly used to measure the three basic electrical characteristics of voltage, current and resistance. It can also be used to test continuity between two points in electrical circuit. Conclusion: multimeter do not have high accuracy of measurements but are QT reliable in operation. Therefore, digital and analog multimeter are gaining popularity and are widely used. Thank you.